5 reasons your feet are getting weaker. After 60, do this before it's too late. Are your feet feeling weaker, more restless, or more tired than they used to? Struggling to climb stairs or stand for long periods? Here's the shocking truth. Weak feet aren't just a normal part of life. They're a warning sign that your body is losing strength, circulation, or even essential nutrients. And if you ignore them, things can get much worse, leading to dangerous falls, loss of independence, and even life-threatening complications. But don't worry. Once you understand the underlying causes behind weak feet, you can take simple steps to rebuild your strength and move with confidence again. Let's find out the 5 biggest reasons why your feet are getting weaker and how to fix them before it's too late. The information provided is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Reason number 5: muscle loss. Sarcopenia. As we age, our muscles naturally waste away, a condition called sarcopenia. This process begins as early as our 30s, but after age 60, it accelerates rapidly. If you don't do anything to counteract it, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle mass by your 80s. This muscle loss hollows out your feet, making everyday activities like getting up from a chair, walking long distances, or climbing stairs feel more difficult. Signs of muscle loss include thinner feet and legs, a nightmarish feeling in your feet, and fatigue after just a short walk. The good news: you can speed up or even reverse sarcopenia by incorporating simple strength exercises into your daily routine. Chair squats, leg raises, and resistance band exercises can all rebuild muscle loss. Protein is also essential. Go for slow-cooked meat, eggs, fish, milk, eggs, and legumes to build muscle. And don't forget movement. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of walking a day can help keep your foot muscles engaged and strong. Poor circulation, peripheral arterial disease. Have you ever felt like your feet are cold, weak, or jerky when you walk? This could be a sign of poor circulation, usually caused by plaque buildup in your arteries, a condition called peripheral arterial disease, PAD. When your feet don't get enough blood, they become weak, tired, and prone to weakness. In severe cases, this can even lead to slow-healing illnesses or infections. If your feet feel heavy or weak after sitting for a while, or if you experience leg pain that improves when you sit down, your circulation may be compromised. To increase blood flow, try to walk daily, even if it's just around the corner. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Drink plenty of water and reduce salt intake to prevent pain. Warming, massaging, and elevating your legs can also help. If symptoms persist, see your doctor, as pad injections can increase the risk of arterial disease and weakness. Number 3: nerve disorders. Peripheral neuropathy. If your feet or legs feel weak, or if they are burning, it feels like you are walking on a sponge. These could be symptoms of nerve damage or peripheral neuropathy, which affects nearly 1 in 3 men, especially those with diabetes or vitamin deficiencies. High blood sugar damages nerves over time, while low levels of vitamin B12, essential for nerve health, can also lead to leg weakness. The more poorly treated neuropathy is, the worse it can get, causing balance problems and even falls. To protect your nerves, monitor your blood sugar levels. Eat a diet rich in B12, including eggs, milk, and legumes. And avoid excessive alcohol, which can affect nerve damage. Leg and foot massages can also help improve nerve function and reduce discomfort. If you notice persistent numbness, don't ignore it. Talk to your doctor for proper testing and treatment. Number 2. Spinal problems. Sciatica and herniated discs. You may not realize it, but your lower back plays a big role in leg strength. If you have a herniated disc, spinal stenosis, or even long-term poor posture, it can impinge on the nerves in your leg, causing your legs to suddenly feel weak, achy, or collapse. Symptoms of spinal-related leg weakness include pain that radiates from your lower leg down one or both legs, numbness in your feet, or feeling like one leg is weaker than the other. If this sounds familiar, try gentle stretches, such as chest stretches or spinal stretches. Avoid sitting for long periods of time, as this puts pressure on your lower leg. If you must sit for long periods of time, use a lumbar support mattress and try to get up and move around every 30 minutes. Keeping your legs healthy is crucial to keeping your legs strong. Reason number 1. Elemental imbalance. Magnesium and potassium deficiency. Have you ever had a sudden leg failure in the middle of the night? Do your legs feel weak or limp for no reason? This could be due to a lack of key minerals, such as magnesium and potassium, which are essential for proper muscle function. Low potassium can cause muscle spasms, leg failure, and irregular heartbeat, while a lack of magnesium can lead to fatigue, hunger, and even anxiety. This is often caused by dehydration, certain medications such as diuretics, or simply not eating enough mineral-rich foods. To restore balance, increase your intake of potassium-rich foods, such as bananas, oranges, spinach, and avocados. For magnesium, try almonds, dark chocolate, whole grains, and berries. Also, try to drink plenty of water, as dehydration can make these deficiencies worse. If you frequently suffer from weak legs, try a warm Epsom salt bath before bed. The magnesium in the soaks absorbs through your skin, relaxing your muscles and preventing weakness. Take action today. Weak legs aren't just an inconvenience. They're a warning sign that your body needs attention. Whether it's due to muscle loss, poor circulation, nerve damage, spinal problems, or an electrolyte imbalance, there are simple, natural solutions to help you regain strength. Start today. Exercise daily. Even 5 minutes goes a long way. Eat more protein and nutrient-rich foods. Drink more water and balance your minerals to prevent weakness. Check your posture and spinal health to avoid nerve problems. Walk every day to improve circulation and prevent weakness in your legs. Don't wait until it's too late. If you found this information useful, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs stronger, healthier legs. Let us know in the comments. Which of these reasons surprised you the most?